Welcome, curious ladies and gentlemen, to Ukron Biology, Episode 1. In this episode, we will be covering basic appearance and some thermobulb stuff. Ukrons actually have a very similar structure to humans as they evolved on a planet with similar atmosphere and conditions. Their skeleton and skull looks roughly the same, except they have a bunch of sharp, small teeth for tearing into stuff. Their eyes are highly developed and can see into the ultraviolet and infrared range. They also can see more slight differences and don't have a blind spot like humans do. Their bones are made of the same material that human bones are made of, and instead of having two lungs, they have one lung because they are much thinner. Their heart is kind of similar and pumps their blood around the body. And then down here we have the star of the show, of the Ukrons, is the thermobulb, which is how they move around. Let me draw a model quickly. Alright, now I have the thermobulb inside all illustrated. We can continue with the video. As you can see, there are two main glands here. Then there's also these pink things, which are their veins. So this is the cooling gland, which uses CO2 made from the lungs, and instead of using it as a waste product, it actually puts it back in to the system and uses it here to quickly form dry ice to cool the thermobulb very quickly, and then uses the heating gland. The heating gland creates a lot of heat using ATP and using that energy stored in the ATP molecules as heat, and it heats up the thermobulb very quickly. So why do they need a thermobulb? Well, they don't have any limbs due to their evolutionary history. The thermobulb, what it does is that it goes very hot and very cold very quickly, and that sends out energy waves that they can push and pull objects. That part is very pseudoscience, just doesn't really make much sense, but whatever. So yeah, that's Ukron Biology Episode 1 from my new from BAAK Studios, which is the company I work for and work in. It's a team with my friends, and we've been working on a show called Space Dudes. It's not going to be on YouTube because we want to get paid, so it's going to be on Itch. So I thought I'd raise awareness for Space Dudes and also Ukron Biology. Leave a like if you want to know more about the Ukron Biology.